So right here, I'm basically building a ramp, right, that you could drive the car upon to do any kind of work underneath it. So this is basically one that I'm currently building in terms of the second one. So let me show you one that is already built. So this one is already built, so it's roughly, let me see, call it 1 feet. This is basically wide enough the wheel can basically drive up and rest on, right? And this is basically what the car will basically drive upon it like that. So this is basically one side, and I can basically just move this part just for ease of movement in terms of transport, if like moving it from here to where I'm working on the car. So as I said, I'm basically building this part, and another two pieces that I made is these two pieces. I have to basically, when I put it on the ground, I just rest these underneath, right? Obviously here is not level, so it won't sit level, right? So I'll just rest these underneath right here, just to, so I have one for this side, because you can see I use two boards, right? So I'll put one on this side and this other one on the other side, right, to basically support the center part here, so that the pressure of the car won't like snap the middle in two right here when it's driving up, right? So that's basically my ramp that I'm making. I'm almost done now. Look at that. I'm so happy with the height. And while I'm here, you see that the transmission leaking some oil right there, as you can see. Right there. So I'm going to have to see what that is. It's not leaking like hard, but everything adds up, right? So yeah guys, so I'm actually happy. See you again in another video. Bye bye.